Today we are going to do a fight scene reaction. It is from the movie Sara Naidu. Before starting the video, I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel, also the bell icon so you never miss any updates from me. Also, links to the Instagram and Twitter give description below. If you want to comment on something, suggest me something, give me any feedback, I would love to hear from you guys. So without further ado, let's start. What happened? He was his uncle, right? Wow, nice one.
ये क्या हुआ? चाचा, 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 चाचा। चाचा, चाचा, तुझसे भीख मांगता हूँ, खुद को उनके हवाले कर दे, तभी वो तेरे चाचा को हॉस्पिटल ले जाने देंगे, नहीं तो तेरा चाचा खत्म हो जाएगा। चाचा को मरने नहीं दूंगा, कुछ नहीं होगा, कुछ नहीं होगा उन्हें, मैं खुद को सरेंडर करता हूँ। बस चाचा को बचा लीजिए, उन्हें हॉस्पिटल ले जाइए, ले जाइए पापा। मेरे भाई, कुछ नहीं होगा। हमें बच्चे की जरूरत नहीं है, हमारा बेटा तो ये है।
I'm just waiting when he roars like a lion now.
थोड़ी देर और रुक जाओ, वो भी टपकने वाला है, फिर दोनों को साथ ले जाना।
सर, मुझे जाने दीजिए, नहीं तो ये मर जाएगा।
बोल रहा हूँ ना, मैं अपने बेटे को अच्छी तरह जानता हूँ, 1 मिनट से ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगाएगा।
मेरे बेटे की भी यही प्रॉब्लम है सर।
मतलब?
वो अपने चाचा से बहुत प्यार करता है, अगर उसके चाचा को कुछ हो गया तो पता नहीं वो क्या करेगा।
क्या करेगा वो?
मैं अपने बेटे को जानता हूँ, मैं आपकी भलाई के लिए कह रहा हूँ सर।
क्या उखाड़ लेगा? मुझे मारेगा?
अगर मैंने उससे कह दिया कि तेरा चाचा मर गया तो फिर तुझे मैं क्या बचाऊंगा? अगर भगवान भी आ जाए वो भी नहीं बचा सकता।
अगर उसके चाचा को कुछ हुआ तो हमें टपका देगा। भतीजे को छोड़, पहले इसका गेम बजा।
क्या कहा? मेरे भाई को मारेगा? इसको मरवाएगा? मार के दिखा, तब है तो मार। ए बेटा, ये दरिंदे तेरे चाचा को मारने जा रहे हैं। क्या इसी दिन के लिए तुझे पाला था?
Oh my God! Oh shit! Oh my God, so fantastic. This is absolutely amazing. Oh wow. Lovely, lovely. Would love this action. Nice. This helps.
हिम्मत है तो अपने बाप को हॉस्पिटल पहुंचा कर दिखा।
What just happened over here?
बस 2 मिनट और, बस 2 मिनट और चाचा, आपका ये बेटा आपको बचा कर रहेगा। मैं रहूं ना रहूं चाचा, आपको जिंदा रहना होगा। यहाँ से जाएंगे तो तीनों साथ में जाएंगे, कुछ नहीं होगा। बस 2 मिनट रुक जाइए चाचा।
Oh wow.
आपको हॉस्पिटल लेकर जाना। मैंने तुझसे कहा था ना, इस खेल में दम की जरूरत होती है। अगर दम है तो ये खेल जीत कर दिखा।
He's also good. Nice. Wow. Lovely. This was a nice one. Yes. Okay. Okay, no one bounces. Wow. Nice. This is one fantastic one. Lovely. Nasty but nice. Oh man. Okay. I need to look at it one more time. Okay. I really need to look at this one more time when his dad told him to start what is needed to be done. Okay, just 1 minute. What had happened? Yeah, I got it. I am going to love this thing one more time. Okay, let's start.
क्या इसी दिन के लिए तुझे पाला था?
Wow. Oh my god, lovely. Yes! Yes, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 8. Yeah, I totally enjoyed it. This one was really one of the fantastic things I ever come across today. Like I just wait for something like this. Okay, when you have going on for like a slow things for a pretty long period of time, you just feel like something should change, something should come up. And this was one of the things which is so satisfying that in just a matter of few seconds he just killed almost 20 people in the room. Okay, it was like absolutely fantastic. He just grabbed both the guns, killed everyone. At the same point of time, the guy in his head, he was just sitting down, and he just jumped over it and just killed his, just shot in his head. And then he just he used all the classes, all the props, which are fantastically he used it. All the 5 classes were broken up by kicking the asses of the all bodyguards or whatever it is. Super, absolutely fantastic. This was ultimate one. I have to see this movie. I mean, what is this? If there are more scenes, please do comment in the comment section. I would love to react to that. So this was an absolutely amazing fight, and I already told you which particular scene was the one which I loved. I watched it again. So I hope you like this reaction. I hope you give a big thumbs up to this, so that I know that you really like this particular scene, and I'll be motivated to do a more scene reaction for you guys. So before going, I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel, also the bell icon so you never miss any updates from me. Also, links to the Instagram and Twitter given in the description below. If you want to comment on something, suggest me something, or give me any feedback, I would love to hear from you guys. So until the further review, further reaction, further trailer, I would request you to stay connected.